What's up, guys? Hunter here, and welcome back to another Scar Jumper. And I add furnaces and chest in here. Then in the living room, I add this, but there is no compatible, but this will do for now. Oh my God, I know I smelt furnace. I know I smelt some. Please, I know I smelt some stone somewhere. Of course, in the furnace, but there we go. But it's only 16 in stone. So, 1, 2. Very good. We need 4 for that. See? We can sit and eat. Let's drop this potato here. Go if you want to eat. Grab. Okay, guys. That's it for today, but because I don't know what to do, maybe we add the second floor. What to do? I know. Let's get this out of here. Okay. Let me just grab some wheat and let's feed the cows. Okay, we will add some terrace. I don't know if that was the word, but you will see what I mean. But for now, I will just grab some wood and I'll be right back. Guys, I see a priest. Take him back home. Come on, little dude. Don't be shy. Don't be shy, little dude. I mean, I don't know if you're a girl, but you're a boy, as you're a priest. Come on. Oh my God. Invasion. I die. Oh my God, I die. Come on now. Okay, hurry up. Okay. Sorry. This guy, oh my God. Come here. Come here. Come here, baby. Sorry, guys. Come here. Okay, it's our chance. Come on. Oh my God. I'm so slow. Okay. Did I put it? No. Okay, I will die. Sorry guys. Okay, let's just add the second floor. "10 minutes before the second floor, and I will be right back." Okay guys, I'm done covering the things up, and I want to get this. Oh my god. If I can just get here. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We need 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dig here. There we go. That's the middle of the night. There we go. Where is our lovely crafting table? Fence now. Fences. Okay, next episode we're gonna extend the cow farm. Okay. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Then there we go. Oh my god. Okay. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. There we go. Let's just make a little room here, and we will do all the things underground. There we go. Mm, mm, mm. Okay guys, I want you to decide what should I put here. Maybe a brewing room, or wait a minute. No, where's my crafting table? Please. Yes. Now I'm out of wood, but it's okay. Okay, I will do this for now. So we can see the cow staring at us while we're eating. There we go, lovely, lovely, lovely. There should be a cow around here. Black. Okay. Where should I put glasses? Okay, here. Oh my god. Not there. Here, this is the final one. And I will end this episode right here because I will record some build battle. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys on my next vid. But if you like this video, hit that subscribe button for more Scourge Empire and Redstone info. And some of my Redstone info is not from me, but some of them are from me. I promise to you, if you you will get mad because I'm copying some of the redstone. It's not from me, and if I just can, okay, 27 glass panes. This house is, I think this house is good for. I will see the well here. Lovely, lovely, lovely. And there we go. Let's get outside. Glass panes, glass panes, glass panes. And we will move the cow farm episode. Let me just cover this up. Those little creeper punk. Okay, it's getting dark. Wait a minute, guys. Okay, guys, I will finish this off cam because I'm out of dirt, and I will see you guys on my next video. Goodbye.